If you're a beginner struggling to speak the language because apps and YouTube videos just don't get you speaking, what if you could go from barely squeaking out a hello to basic conversational fluency in just 25 days, and in as little as 15 minutes a day? Well, that's exactly what you get with our Basic Conversational Fluency 25-Day Guided Challenge, where you'll learn, practice, and master the 25 most common question-based conversations in 25 days. The best part? You'll have teacher guidance along the way, all for $49. But there are only 100 spots open, and enrollment ends October 31st. So click the link in the description to learn more and enroll today. How does the 25-Day Guided Challenge work? If you've been dreaming of speaking the language, this challenge is designed to help you do just that in a focused 25-day sprint, starting November 1st and until November 25th. You'll get one new lesson a day, where you'll listen to a quick dialogue between real native speakers and get every word slowed down and explained. You'll get tested on what you've learned to boost retention. You'll get to practice phrases you've learned with practice activities. And you'll get help and feedback from a real teacher along the way, all in just 15 minutes a day. By the end of the 25 days, you'll be able to speak and understand basic conversations. You'll also have lifetime access to the lessons if you want to go at your own pace. So, if you're a beginner dreaming of speaking the language, then this challenge is for you. So join now before enrollment closes on October 31st, or all spots are taken. Just click the link in the description to learn more and enroll today.